Today we're making empanadas. I know empanadas can be complicated and frustrating, but together we'll get through it. Start by making the dough. Combine the butter, vinegar, salt, water, and give it a quick stir. Add 1/3 of your flour and start mixing. Continue adding the rest of your flour in 2 parts. Once the dough stops sticking to the sides of the bowl and your fingers, it's done. Cover the dough, chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Moving right along to the filling. Brown the ground beef. Add the onion, red pepper, carrots. Add cumin, paprika, oregano, pepper, and salt. You can fill your empanadas with whatever your heart desires. It's a great way to use up leftovers, like picadillo or sloppy joe. Add a cup of stock and reduce on a low simmer. Add the remaining ingredients. I added some leftover Mexican rice to these. Set the filling aside and cool completely. Here's a little tip. Pressing between 2 sheets of plastic allows for easy handling and no extra flour. Cut and separate your dough into golf ball sized pieces. You can roll your dough out with a rolling pin or smash them down with a plate or a small cutting board. I like to use a tortilla press. Place the empanada dough on a sheet of parchment paper. To stuff your empanadas, first wet the edges of your dough. Place a spoonful of the meat mixture in the center. Fold the dough over the meat mixture and press the edges with your fingertips. Continue to seal them with a stretch, fold, and press method. Or you can just use a fork or just simply pinch them. Pour your oil to a depth of 2.5 to 3 inches and heat to 350. Fry your empanadas in small batches, turning often for 4 to 5 minutes or until a deep golden brown. Our empanadas are done and they look beautiful. Oh my God, they're so golden brown. I'm gonna go in and try one. I'm going to pick this one right here. Oh, that's delicious. That leftover rice we put in there goes along great with it. I'm gonna try some chimichurri in there. That's my favorite thing to have with empanadas. This was not the easiest to make, but it's very delicious and very well worth it. Give it a shot. Enjoy.